Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. In this week's video, as you could see, I did this makeup look, and if you want to see how I got this, then just keep on watching. So in today's video, I just literally wanted to sit down and film. I don't really know what I'm going to title this or what I'm going to do. All I know is I just wanted to sit down. I got this new shirt and I just wanted to look pretty and put some makeup on and doll myself up. So I guess we can go ahead and get started. So yeah, let's start off with primer. I'm going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Such a long name. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and run it through my T-zone. I feel like the shirt makes me look super tan and just makes it look so pretty, and it just makes my dark features stand out. And I'm loving it. I kind of did this little new thing that they do with their bobby pins. I don't know if I like it. I think I should have pinned this side back because I like it when this side falls on my face. But we're just going to push my hair back right now because I'm going to be doing my foundation and I don't like my hair in my face. So I kind of have a newer setup. I fixed up my soft boxes, my soft boxes, whatever they're called. But and I have a big window in front of me, and I have my ring light on. I think this is better. My last video was, the lighting was, I'm still trying to figure out how to work things. But for my foundation, I'm going to be using the 𝓕𝓸𝓷'𝓽 Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation and the Too Faced Born. This one I'm just going to shake them up a little and pump like half a pump of each on the back of my hand because they're super full coverage foundations. And the only reason why I'm mixing it is because the Too Faced Born This Way is a little bit dark for me at the moment. And this one's a little light, so. Okay, so for my concealer, nothing's new. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. And to blend that out, I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. If you haven't tried this out, you need to go get it. It's like $4 or $5 and it is amazing. It's so soft and it's just really nice for the price. Okay, now that we got the concealer on, I'm going to take my loose powder. This is the one from Beauty Bakery. It's just called Flour Better Not Bitter. And I'm just going to use this to bake under my eyes. And I'm literally just going to bake the whole entire face because I'm super oily and I just like to be caked on. And if you've never set your face with a damp sponge and loose powder, you're missing out. Just locks your face makeup in and it won't move. Trust the process, okay guys? Looking super cute, right? So now we're going to move on to the brows. I'm just going to let this excess powder just kind of like soak into my skin. And I'm going to, like I said, move on to the brows. Let me zoom you guys in a little. And for my brows, I'm going to be using the ColourPop pencil. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm going to dust off the powder. And for that, I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NW22. I'm just going to take it and kind of press it into my skin. So then for my bronzer, I'm going to be using this number 7 bronzer in caramel, and and I've been using it for a while. I'm just trying to use it up because I've already hit pan on it, and that's kind of exciting for someone that has like crap ton of makeup to hit pan on a product. So yeah, I'm just going to bronze up my face. Good enough. And then to contour my face, I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite Hoola bronzer. I haven't used this in a minute, so I'm just going to take this and contour a little bit. Now that I'm contoured and bronze, I'm going to apply a little bit of blush, and this is the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love. I'm just going to take all 3 shades, tap off the excess, and just smile and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And then I take it across my nose like this because I think it just gives you a more healthy, youthful look. And I love a lot of blush, so don't be stingy. And then I take a little bit on my forehead and my chin. I don't do too much, but just a little, just to tie it all together. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and apply it on the apples only. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. So as you can see, just looks very healthy and pretty. Maybe a little on my nose. Is that a lot? Oh wow. It's cute, right? And then I'm going to highlight my favorite part. I'm going to take my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. Oh my god, I was obsessed with this when I first got it. I'm just going to do a little above my brow. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Emrezy highlighter and just take a little flat shader brush like this. Take a little bit on the tip, and I'm just going to highlight my nose just a little because we've already applied so much of the blush. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Anastasia highlighter and kind of apply it on top of what I already have, just to give me that pretty dewy glowy look, healthy skin type of feel, you know. And that is my base. I'm just going to take a dual fiber brush and kind of blend everything in. And then I'm going to take my highlighter brush and kind of go over the areas again. And there you have it. And then usually when I'm done with my skin, I'll take a spray, not a setting spray, but just like any spray that's like hydrating, just to melt all the powders together. So this one's the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm just going to spray this. And then I'm just going to fan my face. Okay, so that's the finished skin. That's what it looks like. And now I'm just going to move on to the eyes. I really don't know what I want to do. All I know is I kind of want it to be a more neutral wearable look. And I kind of want to, yeah, I say neutral wearable and then I pull out these glitters. But I kind of want to use these on like my inner corner area part. So we'll see what I come up with. So to start off the eye look, I'm just going to take this ColourPop Double Intender palette. And I'm just going to take this shade right here and just run that through my crease. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here and run that through my crease as well. So then then I'm going to take this shade and this shade right here and mix them together for the outer corner, just to deepen it up a little bit right here. Okay, so I kind of like that for the eyes, and then I'm going to, I want to keep it matte, so I'm going to take the two lightest shades in the palette. Actually, that's shimmery. So I'm just going to take this shade right here and pop that on the eyelid. I like that. I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes, and then I'm going to take that same shade and I'm just going to run it under my brow bone just a little bit. I don't want anything shimmery there. Okay, so that's for the eyes, and then for the lower lashes, I'm going to kind of take all the shades we used on the crease area, and I'm just going to kind of mix them together and just sweep it across here. I'm going to take a little bit more of this shade and kind of no, not this shade, this orangey shade, and focus that on like my outer third part of the lower lash line. And I think that's all I want for the eyes. And then I'm just going to give myself a nice wing. Okay, so now that I have my wing, I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Miss Manga Rock mascara. It's a waterproof formula just to help keep my lashes up, because I do have very straight lashes that don't hold a curl well if it's not a waterproof formula. So far, I think this has to be one of my favorite looks I've done so far. I don't know if it's the shirt that's like giving me that like pretty orangey vibe, or if it's the eyes, but I'm loving how the eyes turned out, and I'm so excited to put on my lashes. And for lashes, I think I'm going to use these ones from Ardell. These are the Mega Volume 253 lashes. That's what they look like. I want something full, but I still don't want it to take away from the eye look. Not that we have anything special going on there, but since it's like spiky and has like gaps in between, it's still going to show what I have behind the lash. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on my lashes, and I am so loving how this turned out. The only thing is, while I was touching up my eyeliner, I literally like drew accidentally on my eyelid, so I did like little dots just to make it look like I wanted them there when I really didn't, but whatever. You can't really tell unless I'm like looking down. So for my bottom lashes, I'm just going to, I don't want to do too much. I'm just going to take some of this white pencil. This is the Revlon Photo Ready eyeliner, and I'm going to take the brightening side. I'm just going to put a little bit on my waterline. And then I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm not going to do too much. That's what the eyes look like now. I'm kind of scared to do anything else because I'm scared to ruin it. But I kind of want to use this glitter and like pop it here. Or this one. No, I feel like that would be too much. I like this yellow stuff. I'm going to try. I'm going to do just a little. See how I like it. If I like it, I'll do more. Just gonna take some of my NYX glitter glue. As I was saying before I got rudely interrupted, I don't know if this is like eye safe. I'm guessing it is. You do need to use a little bit more glue with this because they tend to like fly away. But I'm loving the way it turned out. It's really not that different, but it's kind of different from what I usually do because I'm always like neutral, you know, wearable looks, but this is kind of, it's still kind of neutral if you take that away, obviously. So yeah, I'm just going to move on to my lips now. I'm just going to take the gloss off. I'm just going to apply some of this Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. I think I want glossy lips today. I never ever do glossy lips, but I'm kind of feeling it right now, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay, so I think I'm just going to put this Lancome Juicy Tubes lip gloss on top. I never do gloss. This is kind of new for me. How are we liking it? I love the way this turned out. I'm obsessed. I think that's it. I kind of feel like I finished my makeup so fast today. So this is the finished look. What do we think? Do we like it? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also leave any comments that you have down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the ring bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I guess that's all that I have to say. Bye.